Samsung has just unveiled its brand new S20 line for 2020, and just like last year, there's 3 devices in the lineup. New for 2020, however, is the S10e experiment seems to have been abandoned and Samsung has gone the way of Apple. What that means is the S20 is now the entry-level device, and above that you've got the S20 Plus, and brand new for this year is the S20 Ultra. We were able to go hands-on with all 3 devices at a press event in Munich ahead of the launch, and here's our first hands-on impressions. While Samsung is already laying the foundations for the foldable future of smartphones with the Galaxy Fold and the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip, the new Galaxy S20 models are conservatively on the safe side, at least from the outside. However, you shouldn't be deceived by the comparatively unexciting design of the new flagships. The completely new multi-camera systems on the back reveal Samsung's ambitions. The regular Galaxy S20, for example, is equipped with a triple camera consisting of an ultra-wide-angle and a wide-angle camera, both with 12 megapixels, as well as a telephoto camera with 64 megapixels. The Galaxy S20 Plus and the S20 Ultra also have a kind of time-of-flight depth camera, which Samsung is calling Depth Vision. A key feature of all camera systems are their hybrid, AI-supported and continuously variable hybrid zooms, with up to 30 times magnification on the S20 and S20 Plus, and up to 100 times on the S20 Ultra. The latter also has a wide-angle main camera with an impressive 108 megapixel resolution. The Ultra also lives up to its name with the selfie cameras peeking out of that hole punch display. They're 40 megapixel sensors instead of 10 megapixel ones that you get in the cheaper models. The second big camera feature is 8K video recording. All models feature Samsung's typical eye-catching Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED displays with HDR10+. The S20's display measures 6.2 inches diagonally, the S20 Plus comes in at 6.7 inches, and the S20 Ultra is a gigantic 6.9 inches. Underneath each is an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor protected by Gorilla Glass 6. The internal specs are impressive too. The S20 and S20 Plus have 8 or 12 GB of RAM depending on the variant. You get 128 GB of storage in the S20 and can choose between 128 or 512 GB in the S20 Plus. The top model, the S20 Ultra, is available with either 12 or 16 GB of RAM, and with 128, 256 or 512 GB of storage. All models can be expanded up to 1 TB of storage via microSD card. The battery capacity is of 4000 mAh for the S20, 4500 for the S20 Plus, and a full 5000 mAh for the S20 Ultra promise long running times, at least on paper. We'll have to wait and see if these numbers translate to everyday uses when we can test the phones for a longer period of time. Last but not least, the colours available here are Cosmic Grey, Cosmic Black, Cloud Blue and Cloud Pink, depending on the model. They are all dust and water resistant to IP68. So that's what you can expect from the Samsung Galaxy S20 line this year. You've got multiple cameras, 8K video recording, and as much RAM and storage as you'd expect in a decent laptop. We'll be back with a full review once we've had time to test these devices properly. I've been David for AndroidPIT, stay tuned for that.